Queen Eva, it's Queen Eva, it's Queen Eva. You know that she's a queen and not a prima donna diva. Does her own thing, so don't ever think that she needs you. Fragrance and fashion guidance, so one day you just might need her. Just might queen say what she means, you know she means just what she say. When you're rocking with the queen, you gotta slay like the slay, authentic, always and only. Ain't no.
So what's up to all my beautiful queens, divas of a more mature age? I am the Eva Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here on my channel today. So today I actually have a hair video. And if you know me, you know that I have said no to many wig companies who have contacted me and asked me to review their hair. And this company wore me down. And I'm actually really glad it kind of happened that way. But a company by the name of HairVivi reached out to me and asked me if they could send me one of their lovely units to review. And so after a little bit of back and forth, I finally said yes. So they sent me this lovely unit. Now, allow me to share her with you. So this is the packaging, and the box says HairVivi. There's a pretty little bow on the box. We all love a bow, right? I hate unboxings as well, but you know, this is part of the process. So the wig comes inside of here, and there she is. But let's show you the goodies that also came with the wig. I'll edit out the crumpling, I promise. I hate a crumple. Ooh, I hate a crumple. Okay, so in this box, you actually get two of these lovely, I call them butterfly clips. Some people call them blow dry clips, either or. You get a rat tail comb. You can never have too many of these. An edge brush that has like the little edge brush and then the edge comb on the other end. And then I have some examples of the cap construction. So the fanciest part about this wig is the new invisible, it's called Invisi-Scalp. It's a new method that they are using. It is invisible, breathable fabric. It's a fake scalp method, and this wig does not require you to wear a wig cap, which is great because I hate wig caps. It's like extra stuff on your head, and it's summertime. It's entirely too hot for that anyway. So this wig, the Invisi-Scalp is thin, transparent. It perfectly matches your skin with no lines of demarcation. And it comes in 3 different colors. Cappuccino, which they say fits most skin tones, mocha, and honey. So they sent some examples of an old invisible scalp fabric, which is this right here. This is what they previously used. This is what many companies actually use. It's actually the same as a wig cap. And this is the new wig cap material that they use. Now this is in the shade Cappuccino. And so this is it. And you see how thin and amazing that is? Does it blend in with my scalp? I don't know. I may not be a cappuccino right now because I've been in the sun a whole bunch. Your girl might be a mocha. I don't know. And this is actually mocha right here. So I don't know. Let's see. That's probably more me right here. So this actually feels really good. All right. So let me show you this wig, you guys. I'm going to put it on for you in a second, but I just had to show you. So this is the wig, and this is the little invisible scalp method here. Now, inside of the wig, it comes equipped with an elastic band, which is good because sometimes if the wig is big, I will sew an elastic band in mine. But I like it when they come with the option, and you can always take it out if you don't dig the elastic band thing. This is actually not a 360 lace wig, which was the only thing I was kind of upset about. It's not a full lace wig either. This is about, what is this? About maybe, is it 6 or 10 inches of lace, of parting space in the middle. You can part it wherever you want to part it. They have pre-parted it down the middle, but y'all know I like a side part. So there are 2 combs in here, and there's a long comb in the back, and then there's a comb right in the middle of the cap. So it has, does it have, oh, it had, actually it also has adjustable straps inside of it. So I never understand why you need both, but you never know. So look at her, oh, this hairline, you guys. Look at her hairline. Okay, so I'm gonna put her on. Okay, so I have placed her on my head. You guys, first of all, when I get a wig, when I buy it fresh out the store or order it offline, it takes me about 3 days to be able to wear it. The first day I get it, of course I try it on, and then I sit and pluck. And sometimes if you've ever plucked, you know plucking takes hours. This wig has pre-bleached knots and the hairline is pre-plucked. Let me get in for y'all. Will you get your eyes on this? I cannot, I'm so shook by this hairline. So again, it's pre-bleached knots. I hope you guys can see as good as I think you can see her stinking hairline. Look at that. That is just crazy to me. This is the first wig that I have ever received with a hairline like this. So again, y'all know I don't like a middle part, so I'm gonna do a side part. And also, I do not like dark hair in the summer months. So I'm actually going to lighten her. So go with me through the process of this, and I will show you how I actually lighten a wig and install this unit. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the color, and I have ran my flat iron through this hair, just one pass. So I just wanted to show you guys how I install a unit. Now, I'm actually going to keep this on for a couple of days. First, let me tell you this. I lost my SD card, and I'm having to film the last part of this video with my phone. So I hope that this goes okay. All right, so today I'm going to be using a tiny bit of Ghost Bond on the sides, and I'm going to use my clear Got to Be Glued on the front. That's just so that I can make sure that it doesn't lift. So first, I want to make sure I have the wig situated exactly where I need it to be. Exactly where. That I do to make sure that I don't come out too far with my adhesive is I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to mark a teeny tiny dot right here, right at the edge of the wig. And it's a little bigger than teeny tiny, but just right there. And so that way I know to take the adhesive from there back. And so we'll just apply. I'm using clear Got to Be Glued. It's not my favorite though. I hear a lot of women talking about they like it better. I don't. I like the white better, but I'm out of my white. So then I will just blow dry it. Okay, so this is the final result of her. This is what she looks like all on and installed. I think if I had to do anything over again, I would just simply use my Got to Be freeze spray. And I wouldn't use any other type of adhesive on her. It really wasn't necessary. So again, this wig is from HairVivi. It retails for $209 on their website. It is, I want to say, 12-inch, a 12-inch bob. And I am just ecstatic about how the color came out. It colored so easy. I mean, it took color so good. And I went back in and put some lighter highlights like in the front of it. I love her. So the only thing I'm probably going to do is clip her maybe like about that much, because I like my bob to be swinging and not get caught up here. So again, I will leave the information and the code for you beautiful ladies in the description box below. If you order this wig and you do not get the exact wig that I have talked about today, please notify me. Let me know. So again, I am head over heels in love with this hair. The only thing bad I have to say about the hair would be the flyaways, because there are like a lot of little flyaways up in the top of her. I just had to get my wax stick though and knock them down. But again, there's an elastic band. I would also go one shade darker on the lace if I had it to do over again, because I don't know, that looks pretty good, but I felt like the lace was a tiny bit lighter. I think I'm a little darker up in this area right here, especially being out in the sun with my big forehead. So come through on them, HairVivi. Oh, thank you so much for watching me today. Until I see you again, be blessed, and I love her. I love her. Bye for now.